Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Boost. Today the 2025 Honda XR150L is a versatile dual-sport motorcycle designed to excel on both city streets and rugged trails. With its affordable price point and user-friendly features, it caters to riders of all skill levels seeking a reliable and efficient ride. At the heart of the XR150L lies a 149 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. This powerplant delivers a broad power band, ensuring smooth acceleration and commendable fuel efficiency. The engine's design emphasizes durability, a hallmark of Honda's XR series. While the XR150L is adept off-road, it's fully equipped for street use. Standard features include turn signals, a license plate light, mirrors, a speedometer, and folding passenger foot pegs. These additions make it a practical choice for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. The motorcycle boasts a steel frame, ensuring robustness for off-road excursions. Its suspension system is finely tuned to absorb bumps and rough terrain, providing a comfortable ride without compromising handling. The 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel enhance stability and offer a wide selection of tire options for varied riding conditions. A standout feature of the XR150L is its standard tubular steel rear carrier, offering a convenient platform for securing small loads. The bike also comes with an electric starter for hassle-free ignition and a sealed battery designed to withstand the vibrations of off-road riding. The comfortable, spacious seat ensures that both rider and passenger can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. The 2025 Honda XR150L seamlessly blends practicality with adventure, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a motorcycle capable of handling daily commutes and off-road escapades. Its combination of reliable performance, thoughtful features, and Honda's renowned build quality ensures it stands out in the dual-sport segment.